Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. And what we've got in the box today is a brand new caboose in HO scale from Rapido Trains. This is their much anticipated Northeastern Caboose model. And I say much anticipated because at Model Railroad News, the monthly magazine that I do for White River Productions, I've had several emails asking, hey, where's that caboose? The model comes in Rapido's standard window display cardboard box, encased in a two-piece plastic shell housing. The model itself is wrapped in film, and what a nice little model it is. This is based on a Reading prototype, which was to be a standard North American car design. Reading built, I think I saw like 700 of these. Rapido has tooled up multiple truck side frame styles. There are three styles, if I remember correctly, and it appears they give you an alternate pair of trucks, and they are pre-wired. So this is a different version of trucks than what is actually on this Western Maryland Chessie System example. So you could swap those out if you want to. Body-mounted metal knuckle couplers, lots of fine details as you would expect from a contemporary HO-scale caboose. Flush-mounted clear window, full interiors inside. Additional parts are included, including lanterns for the corners. There's caps for the windows if you want to pursue a later era, and some additional grab irons. And again, that changes depending on the model as far as what comes in those. I've seen like there are screens for the window coverings for the Conrail models. Included is an exploded parts diagram with the model and some brief prototype information and information on the lighting. As I mentioned, this is a lighted caboose and it works. I will turn off the lights and show it to you. And there you go. And with just a tap of the wand from that Rapido supplies, the magnetic wand that comes with the model, you can turn the lights on and off, and that works in DC or DCC. This new caboose is available in several road names. Go to Rapido Trains for more information. I'll put a link in the description below. This Reading example is heading to Tom Jacobs in Pennsylvania. He'll be doing a review in Model Railroad News in the first part of 2024, and I'll have a review of this Chessie System model as well. And that's what's in the box today, a new Northeastern style caboose in HO scale from Rapido Trains. Thanks for watching.